This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you are actively playing and not inside cutscenes or dialogue. Once ready, perform the correct input. On PC, press ESC. On PlayStation/Xbox, press the Options/Menu button. On mobile, tap the payment icon at screen top left. This opens the main payment menu, which houses the quest list. Make sure your network sync is stable so quest states load properly. You can proceed as soon as the menu fully appears and the payment UI is responsive. Once the payment menu is open, navigate directly to the Quests tab using the controller, keyboard, or touch. You will see categories like Story, World, and Daily. Use shoulder buttons or on-screen tabs to filter. Highlight any quest to read its objectives, recommended level, and rewards. This is where you decide what to do next. Make sure to press the Confirm button to open the quest details and set a waypoint, because that places a navigator marker on your map and helps you track the target location more easily. Finish by selecting a quest and choosing track so the objective appears on your minimap and compass. This helps you move directly toward pursuit. If travel is far, open the world map and teleport to a nearby waypoint, then follow the marker. If the quest doesn't show objectives or waypoint, close and reopen the payment menu. If that fails, relog or check your connection. This refresh often resolves sync glitches and restores proper quest tracking, so you can continue without lost progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.